To create or to generate an instrumental soundtrack on Suno AI is fairly simple. You're going to open up Suno and then you're going to go ahead and select Create. Now, under Create, you can choose to add an audio sample if you have one, and you can choose to add any songs that are going to inspire your creation. On top of that, you can also go ahead and navigate to song description, and you can go ahead and put in whatever it is that you want. If you don't have an idea of what it is that you want when it comes to your instrumental soundtrack, you do have suggestions available for you based off of what most people want when it comes to their soundtrack. So now, before you go a step further, you do have to ensure that instrumental has been selected. This is so that your song doesn't have any lyrics or voices, it's just pure beats. From here, you're then going to select the option Create and simply wait for the instrumental soundtrack to be generated. As you're waiting, you can go ahead and explore Suno more, and you should be able to find the newly created soundtracks in your library. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.